Umqulu also keep 4 albums and 1 under her name. How impressive is that? It's very exciting. Metro FM Jala between 5 and 8 a.m. and we love it. Everybody, please put your hands together for my guest tonight, Unathi Msengana.
First song I ever recorded, we won Song of the Year from this. Uzola, actually, we were very good friends.
Yeah.
And he was in studio recording Koko Vula.
Yes.
He says to me, Unathi, come in studio. I'm like, shut your mom. And I see the disappointment and I see the anger sometimes, or even the, who are you me when?
Really? Take me through your story,
yeah. So you know, and as we know, apartheid government then didn't want abantu bamnyama to, because that's who we are as an African people. Sithetha ngengoma, sikhala ngengoma, siphila ngengoma, ngengoma, and that was just, I mean, come on.
Nah. 16 or 7s are already, you know, when I'm full colors, one is calling. You know, at 22 years old,
yeah.
Yes. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, Unathi.
Oh my gosh.
That was a long time ago.
That was 2001. It was 2 years. 2001, 2002. I've been that in 14 years.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, pal.
I guess it's also a great reminder, would see how far you've come.
Yeah.
How much more you have since then.
Yeah.
It's Unathi Msengana. Welcome back.
Thank you.
There we are, man.
Yeah. But we wouldn't do it if we didn't love it, right?
Definitely.
Because we can, and it was supposed to steal it and sell tons of it.
Yeah,
so that's why.
You can't any woman in SA Entertainment. No, you
right
do have
now.
to choose right now. You can any woman in SA Entertainment. Who would you choose?
I would you.
Oh, Unathi.
I would you because